Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again, welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 9th maths chapter number 4, we are going to learn how to draw the graph of linear equation with two variable on graph paper. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon of your channel. Okay students, let's start. Now the first question, draw the graph of each of the following equation, right? Linear equation. Okay students, so in two variable, right? The first question, x plus y is equal to 4. So first of all, formulating this equation, consider x. So x is equal to 4 minus y. Now students, we can substitute the different value of y to get the value of x. Suppose y is 4, so x is equal to 4 minus 4, it will be 0. Consider x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 minus 0, 4. Consider y is equal to 2, so x is equal to 4 minus 2, so it will be 2. Okay, so writing the values of x and y, we are getting the solution over here. So first of all, we will write the value of x, then we will write the value of y. X is 0, y is 4, x is 4, y is 0, x is 2, y is 2. Questions. Now vertical line and horizontal line intersect each other in Cartesian plane, so naming x dash and y dash, right? On the right side of x-axis from the origin, there will be positive integer, and on left side there will be negative integer. Similarly, in upward direction of y-axis there will be positive integer, and in downward on y-axis there will be negative integers. Now first of all, we will allot 0 and 4, so 0 and 4 will be over here, then 4 and 0, x is 4, y is 0, so x is 4 and 0 will be here, 2 and 2, x is 2, y is 2. For instance, you can see that these points are collinear, so drawing the line from these points, x plus y is equal to 4. Okay students, in this way we can plot the graph of linear equation with two variable. Let us see the next question. X minus y is equal to 2. So formulating x over here, so 2 plus y. Now considering different value of y, consider y is 2, x is 2 plus 2, we are getting 4. Now considering y is equal to 0, so x is equal to what? 2 plus 0, 2. Now consider y is equal to, suppose 1, x is equal to 2 plus 1, we are getting 3. Now tabulating these values of x and y, so x and y, x is 4, y is 2, x is 2, y is 0, x is 3, y is 1. Now vertical line and horizontal line intersect each other. The horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis. Right side of origin there will be positive integer on the x-axis, and upward direction on y-axis there will be positive integer, and downward direction there will be negative integer. Now allotting 4 and 0, x is 4, y is 2, x is 4, y is 2, right? Second is x is 2, y is 0. Third is 3 and 1, x is 3 and y is 1. So where you can plot, okay, you can see that again these points are collinear, so we can annote x minus y is equal to 2. Okay students, now moving to the next question. Question number 3, y is equal to 3x. Suppose x is equal to 0, y will be 0. So 3 into 0, 0. So x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 3 into 1, so we are getting y is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 1, so y will be 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Now tabulate this point in the form of x and y. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 3. x is minus 1, y is minus 3. Okay, now vertical line, horizontal line intersect each other in Cartesian plane. Right side of the origin on x-axis positive integer, left side of the origin on x-axis negative integer, upward direction on y-axis positive integer, and downward direction will be negative integer. First of origin 1 and 3, x is 1, y is 3. Now x is minus 1 and y is minus 3. Now these points are collinear, so drawing the line from these points, so we are getting y is equal to 3x. So this line represent y is equal to 3x. Now moving to the question number 4. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So 2x plus y will be what? 3. So y will be what? 3 minus 2x. Okay students, now we can substitute the value of x. Suppose x is 1, y is 3 minus 2 into 1. So 3 minus 2, 1. Consider x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 0. So 3 minus 0, 3. Consider x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3 minus 2 into minus 1, 3 plus 2. There will be 5. Okay, now tabulating these points of x and y. X is 1, y is 1, right? X is 0, y is 3. And third, x is minus 1, y is 5. Okay, now drawing vertical line and horizontal line. Horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is what? Y-axis. On x-axis we will draw the numbers, and on y-axis as well as. So left side will be of x-axis, there will be negative integers. So first point is 1 1 1 1, x is 1, y is 1. Second point is x is 0, y is 3. And third is x is minus 1 and y is 5. So minus 1 over here, and y is what, student? 5, means positive side. Understood? X is minus 1 and y is 5. So there will be on second quadrant. So we will write on the top, x is what? Minus 1 and y is 5. See, so there will be here, it will be here. So again we are getting these are collinear points. So this line represent what? 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Okay students, now moving to the next question. Just clean these things. Okay, the next question is question number 5. Suppose y is equal to x. So both variables are equal. If x is equal to 1, so y will be 1. X is equal to 2, so y will be 2. X is equal to 3, so y will be 3. Now tabulating these points, x and y, x and y. So 1 1 2 2 3 3. Okay, now drawing the graph over here, x-axis, y-axis, right? The on right side there will be positive integer on the x-axis. Similarly, upward direction on y-axis there will be positive integers, and downward direction there will be negative integer on y-axis. First is 1 1, second is 2 2, and third is x is 3, y is 3. Again we are getting these points are collinear, so we can draw the line such that x is equal to y. Now question number 7 and 8, we will solve this problem together. So here is y variable is missing, so we can write 2 plus 0y. Suppose y is 1, so there will be no change in x, so 2 into 0 into 1, there will be, obviously it will be 2. Suppose y is 2, so x is again 2. Suppose y is 3, there will be no change in the value of x, right students? Because we are taking the different value of y, so y is missing, that's why there will be no change in value of x. So writing this on the table. Okay, let us plot the graph, draw the x and y axis over here, and denoting the points negative and positive integer on x axis and y axis. First is 2 and 1, x is 2, y is 1. Second is x is 2, y is 2, right? Third is x is 2, y is 3. Okay students, so x is equal to 2, this line is parallel to y-axis and perpendicular to x-axis. Similarly, we can write for y is equal to 3. So if we are taking x is equal to 1, y will be 3, x is equal to 2, y will be 3, and x is equal to 3, y will be 3, because variable x is missing over here. So again tabulating this point, 1 3, 2 3 and 3 3, right? Okay, now drawing the graph, x and y axis over here, and denoting the points on y axis, 1 2 3. Now 1 and 3, x is 1, y is 3, 2 and 1, x is 2, y is 3, 3 and 3. So students, this line is parallel to x axis. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. Thank you once.